How to sign up for a Pinterest account using mobile. Pinterest works as a visual discovery engine to bring people ideas and inspiration. Users can create Pinterest boards to group ideas together, share photos, connect with others, and more. You can easily create an account for free as long as you have a valid email address. This video will show you how to sign up for Pinterest using your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 1. Open the Pinterest app. It's a white P on a red background. Pinterest is available for iOS in the App Store and for Android in the Google Play Store. If you're already signed into an account, tap the person icon in the bottom left corner. Tap Settings Log Out. Step 2. Tap Sign Up. This is the red button. Step 3. Enter your email address and tap Next. This is what you'll use to log into Pinterest. You'll receive an email from Pinterest once you create an account. Be sure to confirm your email by tapping the link in the email. Step 4. Create a password and tap Next. Make sure to use a secure password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 5. Enter your name and tap Next. This can be a display name, pen name, or your real name. In some cases, Pinterest may pull your name from your email address. If you want to change it, enter a new name and tap Update. Step 6. Enter your birth date and tap Next. Pinterest uses this information to help keep the platform safe and provide more personalized recommendations. Use the scroll wheel to select the month, day, and year. Step 7. Select a gender. You can select female, male, or specify another to enter another gender. Step 8. Confirm your country/region and tap Next. Pinterest should automatically detect your country/region. If it's wrong, tap it to change it. Step 9. Tap at least 5 topics. The topics you select on this page will dictate the content you see in your feed later. You can now use Pinterest to create pins, upload photos, and more. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.